This area, we call Granbury, is rich in frontier folklore, and that's why we say this, the city of Granbury is where Texas history lives. Our city cemetery is the final resting place for early settlers, including one who dedicated the original 40-acre site that became Granbury, as well as the county seat. Also buried nearby are doctors, mayors, bankers, dentists, school teachers, store owners, and the grandson of the Alamo hero, David Crockett, which today is a very special day. Ongoing maintenance of the city's cemetery is important to the city and the community. This organization, called Preserve Granbury, has donated $5,000 toward the work of a local company, Heritage Gravestone Restoration. Heritage has had great results. If you would look at the photos that are now showing on the screens. But these great results, they've had great results. Many of these gravestones now look as they did when they were originally placed. Look at the difference. It's huge. The city cemetery has 1,500 gravestones. Preserve Granbury has expressed an interest in helping with this restoration project until completion. Please join me in thanking Preserve Granbury for their generous contribution that will help see the restoration project move forward to completion. Thank you so very much for all of this. Appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you again. Thank you. We appreciate it.